Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 24th of August till 30th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Aquarians from 24th to 30th of August 2020, please. Let's see. 3 shuffles. So as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, okay? And I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. Let's see. So at the back of the deck, it's the 4 of Swords over here. So this might be a new journey, new journey I'm seeing with this coming up, because you are healing in the situation. You are taking time for some things and you're going through a process over here, I'm seeing. Okay, so your past energies are Ace of Swords, 2 of Cups and King of Rods. So this might be someone in your life, or this might be you as well, where you wanted to do some clarity, or you needed some clarity. So this might be anything, you wanting a clarity or you giving a clarity, because with the 2 of Cups, it is a situation where a partnership is involved. So this was really passionate. A lot of things were like, this was actually in a very growing stage. A partnership might be a love partnership or a financial, like in your job, in your work, business, whatever, there's a partnership over here. So you wanted a clarity here, okay? Your present situation is 9 of Cups, the World and the High Priest. So this is a journey which is actually, the lessons from a journey were there and you are actually learning. In this process, I'm seeing that you are learning. So whatever is happening might be after this clarity, might be after this whole situation of the past. You started to work on yourself, you started to heal, you started to figure out things like why these things happen, and you started to even learn from those experiences, I'm seeing. Your future energies are 6 of Rods, King of Pentacles and 6 of Swords. So with the King of Pentacles, might be dealing with Taurus over here. It's like you are moving towards success, I'm seeing. If you are the one who is actually in that healing mode, then you are actually gaining a lot of success, a lot of healing, because the clarity has been done. Because this is the first card, Ace of Swords, and this is the strongest, I would say. And the clarity, whatever you needed, it has been given to you. Yes. So let's see. Okay, let's see why is this 4 of Swords in the overall energy for my Aquarians. 5 of Swords. Okay, yeah, I'm getting it. Okay, so might be a very bad marriage for some of you, might be a bad relationship because of what you are dealing. Because with the 5 of Swords and the Hierophant, I'm getting that whosoever betrayed, whomsoever you trusted the most actually betrayed you. So you are healing from that situation over here, and that is why you are taking time for this process, because this was a process and you are actually going well in this process. Okay, with the 4 of Swords in this case, it's like this lady is actually taking some medications as well. So there might be some kind of health issues as well, but at least you have someone over here who is there to help you. So I won't see it as a very bad card, but I'm really seeing that if you are like ill as well, if you are not feeling good, but at least you're not alone here. Okay, so if someone is offering you that help, take that help. Okay, it will actually help you a lot. Okay. Let's see, why is this Ace of Swords in your past energies over here? Three of Cups, okay. And the Devil. Okay, so this might be, for some of you, it might be a third party relationship over here, third party person who was like, that clarity you needed and that you got. It was like, for some of you, it was really bad experience. It was like you never actually, when you never expect something like this kind of thing happens, but it happens. Because I'm seeing that with the Two of Cups, you were really in love with this person, but it was not from the other side. And I'm seeing that if the other person is really attracted towards the third party person more, this is more, or not a feeling of love over here, this is a feeling of lust I'm seeing, getting attracted towards the other person, and everything just revealed in front of you. You got to know that this so and so person is cheating, or so and so person is like, you know whatever this is, the truth came out, the truth was revealed. Let's see, why is this King of Rods in the past energies? Ace of Rods, Page of Rods, and Ten of Swords. So there was an ending. When you get to know about the situation, when you actually receive the information, actually, this was really new for you. This was a very new chapter of your life, and it really came to an end really fast. And that is why you are like wondering, like, really, why does that? And I really feel that you really got attached with this person or the situation really fast. When you trust someone really fast, at that moment the betrayal happens, and that is what exactly happened with you. I'm sensing that. Trusting really fast. Yeah. So Nine of Cups. Let's see, why is this Nine of Cups in the present energies over here? The Fool and the King of Cups. Okay. Might be dealing with an Aries or a Scorpio. I'm seeing that you are in an energy where you're feeling very emotional, and you are asking yourself, with the King of Cups is very emotional person, but when it comes to show those emotions, he doesn't shows that emotions, and that is actually happening with you. You might be even sharing, with your family. You might be so happy, like telling them that I'm so happy, I am like this, I'm rejoicing, I am doing, you might be doing reunions with your friends, family, relatives, but deep down I'm seeing that there is some kind of emotion which you are not able to express in front of anyone. And you are like, you're looking forward to something which would actually, you are really wanting that somebody could come and rescue you from this process, but it's like it's in your mind, it's in your heart, you're not able to tell anyone exactly what you are feeling over here. Let's see, why the World is here in your past, in your present energies. The World, Temperance. See, this process, I told you, it is actually a very, this whatever you are going through, this process, it is actually healing you, where you actually need this thing. If you are like sitting alone, if you are being like this right now, just just not talking to anyone a lot, and just being with someone who actually helps you to come out from the situation, you're actually healing in this journey. So whatever this is, you are healing. Okay, so because I'm seeing that it was really bad thing whatever happened in the past, but at least there is like a moment where you actually think, like, if you really think that why this has happened, or why this thing has happened with you, then it's fine. It is like, it's okay to be not okay sometimes. So it's fine. Okay, so let's see the High Priest over here in your present energies. Why is it? Five of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. See, so contradictory cards are these. Like, some at one time you are feeling alone, you are feeling like someone has left you, somebody has left you out in the cold, and you were the one who were feeling alone. Someone just ignored you, not receiving your messages, not calling you back, basically no contact zone. And sometimes you feel that I'm on top of the world, you feel independent, you feel the happy single, how the happy single feel. Sometimes you feel that as well. So you are in very mixed emotions, and that is why you are actually trying to balance your mind and heart. And that is fine, that is really fine. Okay, so but your future energies are really coming. The more weightage is this, out of these two things, like lonely and being the happy alone person. So the more weightage is coming for this thing, because you are, see how beautifully you are actually feeling victorious, feeling successful. So why is this Six of Rods here? Queen of Pentacles. Wow. So with the Nine of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, it's like, oh my god, no one can just come and compete with you. No one just can come. Oh wow, one more thing with the Queen of Pentacles, I just saw the King of Pentacles is also here. So this is a very beautiful couple over here, but it does not has to be somebody who would actually you would actually meet, but you can also meet someone, might be Capricorn or a Taurus over here. A very mature person, being an Aquarius. I don't feel that this is your energy, but you are coming up with this energy, and you are starting to be mature, to be someone very stable, that energy. Okay, and that is why you will find somebody just like you. Okay, let's see why the Six of Swords is here in your future energies. King of Pentacles again, and with the Ten of Cups. What is happening, Aquarians? What is happening? I have no idea. This is like you are going to a place. See, I will show you. See how beautifully you are. Okay, like this. See how you are moving away from a situation where you are presently, because you have seen a lot of deception, you have seen a lot of loss in your life. And then what is happening? You are becoming the Queen of Pentacles, the one, a very mature person, a very stable, and then you are meeting somebody just like you, and that is the Ten of Cups. That is the final happiness. So this, if this was a person, or this was a situation which was actually gave which actually hurt you a lot from within. So don't be don't think about this situation a lot, because there is more to come. More happiness, more happy times are going to come. I am seeing a lot of stable energies in your future, Aquarians. I am seeing them. All right, so that's all, Aquarians. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.